Hello, this is Gallagher Fluid Seals. Today, we begin our series on oil seals, a versatile seal used in many reciprocating applications worldwide. The purpose of this video is to give a very brief overview of clipper seals before we take a much deeper dive in additional videos on our channel. So let's begin. A clipper seal is a one-piece molded sealing device that prevents the leakage of fluids while keeping contaminants out. It features a composite outer diameter, a flexible sealing lip, and a stainless steel spring designed for optimal performance. What sets clipper seals apart is the non-metallic construction. Instead of the traditional metal casing, clipper uses a durable aramid fiber and elastomer composite. This unique design offers a gasket-like seal, particularly useful for worn housings. Unlike traditional metal case seals, clipper's composite outer diameter provides superior sealing capabilities without the risk of rust or corrosion. The stainless steel springs ensure consistent lip loading even at higher temperatures, giving you reliability throughout the seal's life. Clipper oil seals are used across a multitude of industries, including aerospace, military applications, construction, steel, marine, petrochemical, and more. They can be found in critical applications like aircraft landing gear, underground mining equipment, and roll chocks in the steel industry. With over 10,000 sizes available, clipper seals fit shaft diameters from just 0.250 inches to over 65 inches, making them versatile for various machinery such as pumps, gearboxes, motors, and more. Installation is simple and user-friendly. The design eliminates the need for compression plates or cover plates, which means less chance of damage during setup and quicker maintenance. Trust clipper oil seals for unmatched performance in the most demanding environments. Thanks for watching our intro video on clipper oil seals. Be sure to tune in next time where we speak a bit more about applications, equipment, and capabilities, including speed, pressure, and temperature. If you know what seal you're looking for, head over to our website at www.gallagherseals.com to purchase or speak to an engineer. Thanks again. Bye-bye.